With the country grappling with an increase in murders, 60 more police officers will be added to a quick response team out west. Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson gave the update on that and more at the JCF's press briefing on Tuesday. Andrea Chisholm has the details.
As of May 31, murders are up by roughly 6%, the majority linked to gang conflicts. Heavily armed gangsters, some involved in lottery scamming, have been fueling the crisis in western Jamaica.
We have boosted our quick response team in St. James, and plans are well advanced to establish quick response teams in the other parishes out west. There are 60 members currently under training ahead of being deployed to Area 1, and this is advanced tactical training.
Robberies are also up by 1% and break-ins up by 6%. Shootings down by 9% and rape down by roughly 16%. 401 persons have been arrested and charged for illegal possession of firearm and ammunition or both. 347 guns have been seized.
We have seized 6,380 rounds of ammunition when compared to 4,483 in the similar period in 2021. This represents a 42% increase in ammunition seizure.
Meanwhile, the police have identified two main suspects in Sunday's quadruple killing in Railway Lane, Torspen, St. Catherine. A fifth individual was shot and injured during the drive-by attack.
This is a continuation of a gang conflict, and two of the main suspects have been identified. They're being put out as persons of interest, and they were previously charged with murder. One had absconded and the other was reporting on bail.
And the police have intensified operations to combat transnational crimes, including money laundering and drug trafficking.
In recent weeks, we have seen a number of extradition requests for scammers and persons associated with the illicit drug trade, money laundering, and sex crimes. 6 persons have been arrested in relation to recent requests from the United States, and 2 persons have been returned from the United States on our request.
The message is again for citizens to continue to tell the police what they know by calling 119, Crime Stop 311, or the nearest police station. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.